Hello and welcome back to Motor Gears. Today, we will talk about the brand new Audi RS4 Avant. Audi has given its RS4 Avant performance a facelift, including a reshaped grille and flared wheel arches, just 2 years after the current generation was launched. The mild redesign follows on from the recent refresh of the standard, and is limited mostly to a revised front-end design and enhanced interior technology. The RS4 front grille, bumper and lower splitter have been overhauled to further distance the performance variant from the standard model and bring it into line with the new RS6 Avant, which sports a notably more aggressive stance than the outgoing RS4. The gloss black honeycomb grille, featured across Audi Sports range of top-rung RS models, has been designed without a frame to sit flush with the bumper. The model's LED headlights have also been reshaped and can now be specified with darkened bezels. As is tradition, with Audi's sportier models, the wheel arches are substantially flared to accommodate wider wheels and tires, the RS4 measuring a full 30mm wider overall than the standard at the front and rear. Inside, the facelifted model receives a new 10.1 inches infotainment touchscreen equipped with Audi's new AMI acoustic response technology in place of the outgoing car's rotary controller. A new digital instrument panel can display drive system component temperatures, G-forces, tire pressures, power output, lap times and acceleration measurements. It also features a shift light display to assist the driver with gear change timings. There are no changes to the RS4 turbocharged 2.9-litre V6, which still produces 444 bhp and 443 pounds, enough to give the car a 0 to 62 miles per hour, with time of 4.1 seconds, and top speed of up to 174 miles per hour. The new RS4 Avant will make its public debut at this weekend's DTM season finale at the Hockenheimring, ahead of sales beginning later this month. UK pricing is yet to be confirmed, but a European starting price of €81,400 suggests we're likely to see a slight increase over the current model's £67,585 of price tag. So, thus were the major changes in the Audi RS4 Avant with more aggressive styling for 2020. Hope you liked the video. If you like to see latest upcoming cars updates, then subscribe Motor Gears and also press the bell to get every video on your screen. Till then, stay tuned.